Have you ever paused to consider the immense richness of language diversity in India? The sheer number of languages spoken across the country is a testament to our cultural diversity and heritage. Yet there's a hitch in this linguistic tapestry. A language that, despite its deep roots and rich history, has yet to receive the official recognition it deserves. That language is Tulu. Tulu, despite being spoken by a significant number of people in the states of Karnataka and Kerala, has yet to find its place in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. The 8th schedule, for those unfamiliar, is a list of languages that the government of India has officially recognized. These languages enjoy benefits such as the opportunity to be used in parliamentary proceedings, protection and promotion by the government, and inclusion in government exams. Yet Tulu, a language as rich and vibrant as any other, has been left out of this esteemed list. This omission is not just a blow to the Tulu-speaking community, but to the very essence of our linguistic diversity. It hinders opportunities for Tulu speakers in education, government jobs, and media, and threatens the preservation of the language itself. But there is a solution, and it lies in including Tulu in the 8th schedule of our Constitution. By doing so, Tulu will receive the official recognition it deserves, and with it, the support and protection of the government. This will open up new opportunities for Tulu speakers, ensure the preservation of the language and its rich culture, and further enrich India's linguistic diversity. The inclusion of Tulu in the 8th schedule is not just about recognizing a language, it is about acknowledging a culture, a people, and an integral part of our shared heritage. It is about ensuring that every language, no matter how widely or narrowly spoken, has a place in our nation's narrative. So, it's time to lend your voice to this cause. Support the inclusion of Tulu in the 8th schedule. Let us ensure that this beautiful language, with its rich history and vibrant culture, gets the recognition it deserves. This is not just a step toward preserving a language. It is a step toward preserving our collective cultural diversity and heritage.